Today I'm going to be showing you how to make fried rice in your Instant Pot. Hi, I'm Karen Peterson, and today I'm going to be showing you how to make Instant Pot fried rice. This recipe is just super easy, simple, and fast, has just a few ingredients. I think you're really going to like it. First things first is you need some rice. Now, I cooked my rice in the Instant Pot, and I chose to use brown rice. You can use white rice, jasmine rice, whatever you like to use. I'm going to flash up a table on the screen right now of how long to cook rice and what ratio you want to use and things like that. The main thing that you need to know for this recipe is you want to cook 2 cups of raw rice. So whatever the ratio of water to that is, just go ahead and throw that in your Instant Pot, turn it on the time indicated in the chart, and then get that rice and set it in a bowl. Now, ideally this rice would be cooled down a little bit. It wouldn't be super hot. It might even be cold from the refrigerator. This recipe is great for leftover rice that's in your fridge because the colder the rice is, the better the texture turns out and it doesn't turn out as mushy. So what we're going to do is we're going to turn the Instant Pot onto the saute setting, and you're just going to push the saute setting, make sure that it's on more, and then wait for your Instant Pot to say hot, to heat up. Add in 3 tablespoons of canola oil or vegetable oil. Let it really coat the bottom of the pan. And then we're gonna add in 2 eggs that have been whisked really well. And those eggs are gonna cook very quickly. We just wanna break them up into very small pieces. We're going to add in this rice that we cooked earlier. Toss that rice to get it coated in that oil. Then add in 1/4 cup of low sodium soy sauce. I like the low sodium soy sauce because the regular soy sauce just seems to be a little bit too salty. If you're trying to eat gluten-free, you can use tamari sauce instead of soy sauce. Or some soy sauce brands are actually gluten-free, so just check the label. All right, and now we're gonna add in some of these frozen peas and carrots, and these came straight from my freezer, and they're fine because they're just gonna cook through really quickly. They don't need a ton of time. And so I like to add in just, whatever I like, about 1 to 2 cups is what it was. At this point, if you wanna throw in some chopped ham, or maybe some chopped cooked pieces of chicken. That would be a really good way to make this into a whole dinner. And then finally, we're gonna add in 1 teaspoon of sesame oil. As soon as the peas and carrots are warmed through, you can serve up this delicious fried rice for dinner. Make sure to join me on my website, 365daysofcrockpot.com, where I share Instant Pot stuff with you and Crock-Pot stuff with you every single day of the week. You can sign up to get my daily emails where I will send you something to your inbox about the Instant Pot. You're going to love it. Thanks so much again. We'll see you next week. Bye-bye.